talk about probably the most basic rock beat that could be played, or two of them maybe. We'll do two. So if I get a student that's never even played or picked up a pair of drumsticks or anything, a lot of times I like to try to get them to play this beat and leave that first lesson maybe even playing to a song. If they can get the beat down and keep that tempo, I'll put on a song and have them play it and have them feel good about leaving the lesson actually playing to a song. All right, so this comes down to just two beats. You're going to play your right hand and your right foot together. And you're going to put your right hand on the hi-hat and your right foot on the bass drum, and you're going to play a note. All right, there's the first note. Right hand, so that's all it is. Right hand, right foot. And then the second note is both hands together. And you got your right hand on the hi-hat and your left hand on the snare drum. So can't get any simpler than that. Right hand, right foot, both hands together. Right hand, right foot, both hands together. You can do it as slow as you need to feel that. You can even say it. Right hand, right foot, both hands together. Right hand, right foot, hands together. Okay, then when your body starts to accept that, then you don't have to, then you can stop saying that and you can just play it. Faster. Okay, now we're playing a beat that has probably been used on a million songs. So we could pick a song and immediately you're playing along with the song as long as you can keep that steady tempo. All right, so we get pretty easy. Right hand, right foot, both hands together. Okay, so then the second beat, which maybe is a little trickier, is you're going to have a note in between those on the hi-hat. So you're going to play right hand, right foot, and then an extra note on the hi-hat, and then both hands together, and then another note on the hi-hat again, right? So you have that and, we're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and. All right, and again, you can do that super slow, right? So we'll do 1, and then the and on the hi-hat, and then 2, and then the and on the hi-hat, and then 3, and then the and on the hi-hat, 4, and then the and on the hi-hat. Okay, so I'll start slow and then speed it up a little bit. Start really slow, even out almost out of time. Faster. All right, so there you go. I almost always try to get those two beats, at least the first one, going with a student who's never played before, because psychologically it's a really good thing for someone who's always wanted to be able to play drums, and then they realize within a very short amount of time suddenly they're able to play to a song. It's very it's good for their inspiration to get them wanting to go home and practice. So there you go. That was the anatomy of a drum beat, or maybe anatomy of two drum beats, however you look at it, the two most basic beats that I start with. Okay, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.